Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Everand app. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we search about Everand app and we click here. In this page of app info we go to Forcestop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you